Good morning from Hueco Tanks here in Texas. Looks like the raccoon got to us last night. Look at this. Dude, I forgot to put away our trash. It was just hanging here last night. Not really an exciting day today. The kids just pretty much played with Lego. Wow. That's super cool.
This is from Minecraft.
Rain's doing dishes and washing clothes. All you people want to snuggle to the break of dawn?
Tara, maglaba.
Dude, it is hard keeping up with these daily vlogs. While these kids get to sit down in a nice van, AC'd, and just be on the internet. How's that internet?
Good, but we don't have any AC. Can we trust that? Well, you have AC and we don't.
That's some good AC right there.
Yeah, we're boiling hot. Stop bragging.
Right now, it's kind of hard finding that fun work balance. We just started full-time traveling, so, you know, right now it's kind of like 12 hours of work, 12 hours fun, and 0 hours sleep.
I dare you to take a nap.
I can't take a nap. I can't take a nap. I gotta grind. People out here are freaking wishing they could grind harder than me.
You need a nap. You need it.
Dude, all this video editing makes me want to take a dump. Right now, let's take a dump break. Let me show you guys the restroom. So that's our site right there, site number 15. And over here behind me is the restrooms. Let me give you guys a tour. Welcome to the men's restroom. We got 2 sinks. We got 1 urinal. We got a toilet. We got 1 shower. We also got some clothes hooks and a bench. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy your tour. Come take a dump with us anytime. Peace.